Welcome back, future Phone Flash fam. Today, let's delve into the buzz surrounding the iPhone 16 Pro camera upgrades. A recent report from 9 to 5 Mac hints at game-changing shifts that could redefine smartphone photography. Let's explore the exciting enhancements anticipated for the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max cameras. Anticipate a remarkable leap from a 12MP to a 48MP ultra-wide camera. This upgrade promises to capture scenes with unparalleled detail and clarity, particularly in challenging lighting scenarios. Get ready to witness your photos and videos in a whole new light. Optical zoom evolve. Rumors suggest Apple's introduction of a periscope ultra-long telephoto combination camera, offering 5x optical zoom and 25x digital zoom capabilities. Picture effortlessly zooming in on distant subjects while maintaining exceptional image quality. Get ready to capture breathtaking shots from afar. The dawn of anti-reflective coating innovation. Innovations continue with Apple testing a revolutionary anti-reflective coating technology using atomic layer deposition, ALD. This innovation could substantially reduce lens flare, ensuring clear, sharp photos even in challenging lighting conditions. Outro. Exciting times await iPhone photography aficionados. With these potential upgrades, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max cameras seem poised to redefine mobile photography. Stay tuned to future Phone Flash for more updates, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for all things tech and innovation.